Hey everyone, I know I'm a little bit late with our sub reveal for February, but I still wanted to do it even though many of you probably already received your monthly sub. So as usual, I'll show you the sticker kit first, and then I'll share the stationery sub, which has some mystery items in it. And I'll be sure to warn you ahead of time just in case you haven't received your sub yet and you want to be surprised. So let's start with the sticker kit. First, what you always get this add-on as a freebie to the kit. So this add-on is Easter themed, and it has just Happy Easter and this cute little artwork there. And then a basket of Easter eggs, this cute little clip art bunny, and then these really pretty tulips. I thought these were so beautiful. And then just little deco here at the bottom. Instead of the usual washi strip, I decided to do a little deco which matches with that. So these are two separate stickers, and I thought it was super cute as a little Easter add-on to the kit. So here's the April kit. I called it aesthetic. This is totally like the aesthetic, my dream aesthetic for our new house, whenever that will be. But I really love this artwork. I think it's so beautiful. Minimal, neutral, glam kind of vibe to it. So as always, you get the month in hand lettering sticker, some deco here, icons here. These are the usual icons, and then two icons for the month, one for Easter, one for taxes, and then your headers, and then two strips of washi. So that's sheet A. I really love it so much, you guys. I want one of these rugs for my future office, and I want this chandelier. And then sheet B is your full boxes. So I took some of those elements and just made them bigger, put it on gray, pink, marble, and plain white backgrounds. I love these a lot. The vibe is so pretty. And then a thin strip of washi at the bottom. Sheet C is the quarter boxes, half boxes, habit trackers, and checklists. Again, with the plain white, gray, pink, and marble background. A little bit of clip art. And then sheet D are your little things, headers, extra icons, and then another strip of washi. So yeah, that is the full sticker kit. So the mini sticker kit is the same free add-on and the same sheet A, but then you get sheet E. And sheet E is basically just a combination of the other sheets in the full sticker kit. So you get 4 full boxes, some page flags, some quarter boxes, and half boxes. So now I'll show you the stationery sub. So click out now if you still want to be surprised. So first I'll open this bag. The stationery sub always comes in a black craft bag. And then one of the items didn't fit in here, so it's separate, but I'll show you what came in here. All right, so you always get some vellum, a planner card, and stickers. I'll show you the vellum first. So as always, our vellum just comes in one size. It's 6 by 8.5, and then you can trim it down for your planner. So the first vellum is this super cute, like gallery wall kind of vibe. So I thought it was super pretty. I want a gallery wall in my future home, and I thought it would look really cute, just like layered with other things in your planner. And then these little frames here, I thought can be either just plain for like mirrors or whatever, but I also thought it'd be cute to layer some stickers in there maybe and make your own artwork. And then this one is that animal print that actually came directly from the kind of print that was in the sticker sub. So this one here is like the same print. I thought it was so cute. You know me, well, you might know me if you've been following along. I love my animal print. So that's the 2 pieces of vellum. And then let me open this up. So the planner card you get in the sub is, "It's time to start living the life we imagined." I really love this quote. For me personally, I have these grand daydreams of the kind of life I want to live, and it's so easy to fall into the trap of just dreaming and planning about it and not living it. So this is a great reminder for me, and maybe for you too, to start living the lives that we daydream about, that we imagine in our heads. So I thought this was a great card to have. And then the 4 sticker sheets that you always get in every stationery sub. The first one, lately I've been doing photo boxes, which I think is really good for, especially for those who don't subscribe to our sticker subs, so you don't get those kind of full boxes. I thought this was a great way to get a more minimalist and a different kind of vibe full boxes to decorate your planners with. So I chose a flourish theme, kind of like a mix of spring and home. So I love peonies. Am I saying that right? I'm so bad at my plants and flowers, I don't even know, but I love this flower so much. And then some plants. So I thought this was just super beautiful. This with the macrame in the background. And then I love succulents. I've been meaning to buy succulents for myself for so long, I just haven't done it, but at least I have it in sticker form. And then I have these new kind of headers, which I love so much. I feel like I might switch to these kind of headers in my own planning and maybe in the shop. I've been doing the black headers for so long, years, and I also have it available in the printable shop, so people can still get that if they want it. But I'm thinking I really want to switch to this. I just think it's super pretty, still minimal, but has that little decorative feel because of the script. So this one has ones that you would use on a weekly basis: this week, next week, meals, to buy, errands, and mail. And then it repeats, so you have 4 weeks worth of stickers if you use it that way. It's on a light pink, that light pink that I always use in all my stickers background. And then I'm really excited about these. These are our text dots. The first time we've ever done these, this was actually a request from one of our customers and Sam & Co members to do some text dots. So this is on our nude color, and it just has some things that you would use like more on a monthly basis maybe. So it has birthday, appointment, work, day off, payday, and bill due. So if you guys really like these are going to be available in all the colors that we do for our transparent stickers. But if you guys really like these, I can start making ones with different text in it too. So let me know in the comments and let me know what kind of words you guys want. They have to be relatively small, of course, because we're working with a very small space. But let me know. And then these are probably, besides the sticker kit, the April sticker kit, I'm most excited about these. This was another customer request, mini versions of our transparent dots, and I love these. I wanted to show you guys, actually in my planner, I started using them already in my monthly spread. So here are the mini dots in action. So they're just like our transparent dots, but much smaller. And I love them because the people that requested this, a lot of them were pocket planner users, but I love them too for the personal size planner because of how much more space it gives you for whatever you need to write in. And it just, I don't know, it looks cleaner. Let me see if I can give you guys a comparison to the regular dots. So let's see, I'll put it above so you can see. So that's just a tad bit of difference, but you can see the regular dots go outside of the square and the mini dot can stay within the square. So yeah, I'm super excited about these. I love them so much. And then the last thing is a brand new sticker album. So our sticker albums that we had before, we had a light pink one and a marble one, and they were super popular. They always kept selling out, and then they were on back order for the longest time from my vendor, so I couldn't restock. And I always get requests to restock them. So I decided to surprise you guys because my vendor got some more inventory in. And so I created a new design even, and I put it in your guys' subs, and I love it so much. This design is probably familiar to you guys. I've used it on a notebook that I made before, and I might have used it somewhere else, I don't remember, but I just love this artwork so much. I love the simple floral, and it's on this light peak background, the one that I always use. And what I think people really love about our sticker albums is they're thinner, so a lot more portable, and I think it works a lot better for minimal planners too, because maybe they don't need the super thick sticker books and they like thinner ones. Or even if you're like categorizing your stickers, like one sticker book has functional, one has deco, one has transparent, maybe this is better too for just your storage system. So whatever the case may be, you guys love these, so I was happy to surprise you guys and bring them back. There'll be a limited quantity coming to the shop, but I'm going to be trying to order more in the coming weeks, so we have more, and then you can choose your cover, the floral, the plain pink, or the marble. So stay tuned for that, but I hope you guys love these. So that's it, our February subs. I hope you guys love how they turned out as much as I did. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.